We are at the 7th day of Christmas, and otherwise known as New Year's Eve. Our hat is quite pointy. Let's see if it lasts all video. Before you guys go out and get absolutely hammered, we've got another we shouldn't have said that. We've got another tip in the stocking. So let's rate the stocking and see what we come up with on the 7th day of Christmas. Right, we've got a tip. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, so tip number 11, base hits versus home runs. A lot of the time, it depends on what you're looking for in trading, but some of the time, what people try to do is they try to make a huge amount of money trading gold or the S&P or the FTSE. And a lot of the time, what we've learned to do over the years is we just make small little bits of profit here, small bits of profit there. So when it comes to baseball, you know what a base hit and a home run is. Instead of trying to make that, 25 grand in one trade, try to make small chunks. So that's basically day trading. So instead of trying to hold on to a position for a month and try to make a load of money, make a small position, open a position every day and close it every day. Make a small chunk of a move, and then the next day, you might think gold's going down, right? So you sell it, it goes down, you buy it back. The next day you do exactly the same. If you keep making these small little chunks over the course of time, it's as good as a big profit. And the problem is when people try to make huge amounts of money, they get sucked into confirmation bias, which we talk about on our DVD, and it is quite hard, it's very hard to make huge amounts of money on a long-term trade, on a well-leveraged market. So what we suggest is that if you do want to do this sort of trading, do it as a day trading basis and do make small little chunks, because what can happen a lot of the time as well is you perhaps buy something and it goes up and you think, yeah, brilliant, I've done the right thing, but you're trying to make millions, you're trying to make too much money. The price goes up, the next day it goes down and it swallows a lot of your profit, and it goes up and then it goes down, and you could end up making a loss on that trade when really you was in profit. So take your profits when you get there, when you've got the profits, and try not to just, go off trying to make millions. It's so much easier, and you will find it so much better for your health and the stress levels if you try and make small chunks in each trade rather than trying to trade over the course of a month with the same position, trying to make loads of money.